So I'm going out with my mum, and I'm going to show you how to use Velcro rollers with hair that's just damp and no heat. So it's a lot better for your hair than using hot rollers or tongs. So my hair's freshly washed and conditioned this morning. It's been about an hour since I washed it, and I've let it dry naturally. Now the tops of my hair are damp, the undersides are still very damp, but while it's damp I've run some volumizing mousse through that, and I'm just taking the upper layers as they're dry first. You can semi-hair dry your hair as well, but as we're doing this without using any heat, I'm not going to. Just using my fingers to roughly part the hair. I'm taking a Velcro roller, I'm just going to roll that back and away from my face. When I'm rolling my hair, I like to make sure that I roll it in the opposite direction of the hair growth, because to give me the maximum root left. I'm going to sit that down, and because my hair's thick, the roller won't grip very well, so I just use a bobby pin or a hair grip, whatever you want to call them, just one to keep that in place. I like to put a really big one at the crown of my head just so that I get height, and slightly smaller ones at the front. If it's just height you're after, then just use big rollers. So now that I've got the main ones in my hair in, the rest of my hair that's just hanging towards the side here, I'm just going to curl downwards. I'm not going to lift it up too much. This will just help smooth my hair as well. Okay, so for the rest of my hair, it's all going to be underneath and it's not going to show, so there's no point, and I don't need any root lift here, so I'm just going to plait that up and then put that in a bun, and so you know, I'll get soft waves and smoother waves just from having it in a plait. I think I'll do this in 2 plaits because my hair's really thick. And just hairspray all of the rollers. Because it's a lovely day, I'm just going to hang around in the garden, let the sun heat the rollers and the hair up naturally, and I'll come back to show you how they look when I take them out. Just be careful with the hairdryer if you're using the hair grips, because the hair grips will heat up and can burn your scalp. Okay, I'm ready to take my hair out now, so I'm starting at the back and I'm doing my plait. So you can see if I stand up, my hair's too long, but instead of having overly frizzy and very wavy hair that I usually have, I've now got a lot more smoother hair. I'm not going to use my hands to free the curls, I'm just going to keep them in there. I've decided just to leave my hair long and loose and wavy like this, and I really like the way that it falls. And you can see my widow's peak, which is usually a very harsh line is now much softer, so I look like, you know, I don't look as harsh with that line that's always there. I will have to take some time getting used to it because I really don't like my hair on my face, but when I'm out and I'm shopping I won't mind so much. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye!